Tank control light. If this comes on, it can have 4 different reasons. 1. The tank is full. Empty the tank and replace. 2. The tank is incorrectly positioned. Reposition the tank correctly. 3. The tank is removed. Place the tank back in position. 4. In continuous drain, the hose is obstructed or incorrectly positioned and water is filling the tank. Remove the obstruction and ensure the hose is correctly positioned. E1 warning light. This comes on when the humidity is too high or is too low for the sensor to read on the display. Reposition the dehumidifier in a different room that has different humidity and temperature levels.